Hello beautiful people, how are you? It's your girl here, Vikash. So in today's tutorial, like I promised you guys, I'm going to show you how best you can use the facials that we have in Average Lane. So first thing first, I'm going to wash my face with this facial cleanser to remove the dirt and to remove some excess makeup on my face. I'm just going to take a small amount of this wash. You can do this at home in the morning and during the evening before you go to bed. You can use your hands if you don't have this deep pore cleansing brush. I'm going to use this to really cleanse my face. When I'm cleansing my face, I also love to cleanse my lips as well. So I go over my lips with my wash. Okay, so now I've washed my face. I'm now going to exfoliate, make sure that I remove all the dead skin from my face. So I'm using this Body Essence Argan Oil. That's the one I like to use. If you've got a sensitive skin, I encourage you to use the Nucel Exfoliating Cream. It's so gentle on the skin. Okay, so coming to my lips again, I'm going to make sure that I exfoliate my lips. Done rinsing my exfoliator, I'm now going to steam my face so that I open my facial pores so that it gets ready for the toner and the moisturizing treatment that I'm going to use today. So it's now time for steaming. So now that my pores are open, this mask is going to detoxify every impurity that is in my pores right now. So let's just read the benefits of using this charcoal detoxifying mask skin solution range. Here it reads, it formulated with oak deriving charcoal powder. This pore refining mask also contains aloe extract and a highly effective moisturizing complex to help smooth and moisturize. It helps to remove excess oil and impurities that causes blackheads. So if you've got a challenge with blackheads, you definitely need to use this. It also helps to remove the oils and impurities that cause spots, and it leaves your skin with a smooth matte appearing. Let's just go through the directions for use. Use twice weekly after cleansing, so you can use twice. I love using it once a week. After cleansing, apply mask all over the face, avoiding the eye area like I did. Allow to dry, then rinse thoroughly. So I'm just going to let this mask dry on my face while I'm doing other stuff. Okay, now I'm back. As you can see, the mask is completely dry and it has turned to white. So, you know, my skin is feeling a little bit weird. It's tight, you know. So I'm just going to rinse off the mask and then continue with my toner and my moisturizer. Okay, I always keep this closer. So I'm going to take my cotton ball and grab my toner. I'm going to explain more on the benefit of using the toner, why you need to add the toner into your daily cleansing routine. So number one, pH balance. Facial toners help to balance the pH or potential hydrogen level of your skin. pH level are an indication of the acidity level of your skin and are measured on a scale of 0 to 14, with 7 being the most neutral level. Having a balanced pH level means your skin is less prone to oiliness and infection, creating a more vibrant and smoother appearance. So it is very important to use the toner. Another benefit of using a toner, detoxification. Many toxins that affect the health and appearance of your skin comes from industrial-made chemicals. Facial toners works to remove environmental toxins such as smoke and other chemical residues from your skin. This helps your skin to look brighter and healthier, and long-term benefit may include less acne, less severe acne, scarring, and fewer wrinkles. So that's a second benefit of using the toner. And our third reason, pore shrinkage and tightening. Large pores allow more dirt, oil, and toxins to enter the skin and cause irritation and infection. Facial toners tighten your facial pores, allowing fewer oils and toxins to settle into the skin. This creates a fresher, cleaner, and a less oil appearance while preventing what? Acne. So another benefit of using the toner, acne reduction. Acne can be painful and slightly can lead to facial scarring. It can also cause your skin to appear more oily, dull, and unbalanced. So the toner, it removes oily build-up, residue, and dead skin cells. Facial toners assist in reducing the amount of facial blemishes and acne you may already have, and work to prevent future breakout. So you see, it's very important, because some people, they think if they've got a beautiful skin now, there is no need to take care of that skin. Okay, another benefit, hydration and moisturizing. I've noticed that when I use my wash and when I'm doing like my daily facial routine, when I use the wash and my face, when it dries, it becomes so tight, and irritating. But the moment that I apply the toner, the toner makes my skin feel comfortable. It feels like I have applied moisturizer already. So another benefit, hydration and moisturizing. Facial toners provide hydration to your skin, which is essential to maintaining elasticity, smoothness, moisture, and a more youthful appearance. Proper skin hydration reduces the sign of aging skin and provide an effective base for the application of facial cosmetic. Many facial toners also provide vitamins and other essentials, skin nutrition to keep your skin healthy and balanced. So you see, these are the benefits of using a toner. Okay, so now that my face is dry, I am going to apply my CRT Youth Gel. So this is the first product that I apply before I apply my moisturizer. It's winter time and my skin needs all the moisturizer that it can get, so I love using oils for moisturizing. So I'm going in with this Afro-Shane Body Essence Argan Oil. It's a face and a body oil, so that's the one that I'm going to apply on my face. So when I apply my oil, I love to massage my face so that I promote blood flow on my face. Now I'm going in with my Even Tone Even Out Moisturizer. That's the one that I'm going to use. So as you can see, I'm applying it but not directly to my eye area. The secret to having even skin is to make sure that whatever I do on my face, whatever I apply on my face, I also take the product down to my neck area, around my neck area. I'm going to take my Youth Gel Eye Gel. That's the one that I use on my eyes. Let me just read the benefit of using this Youth Gel Eye Gel. Visibly smooth fine lines and wrinkles, reduce puffnesses and dark circles. So that's the one that I use to make sure that the skin around my eye area looks great. Now that I'm done applying my moisturizer, my skin is prepped well. And for those of you who have challenges with pimples, this is the product that you use. That's the Skin Solution Spot Clearing Gel. It's a tiny tube. You just take your product after you prep your face with your moisturizers. You then take your product and you only dab where the pimples are. And also, if you've got dark spots that you want to clear, you take your dark spot corrector, that's the pink tube, and you also take just a few products and you dab where you need to clear the spots. I hope this tutorial was very helpful to you guys. For now, I'm going to go through the questions that you guys sent to me. Okay, so question number 1 from Trapiwa: how do you know your skin type? For you to use the correct cleanser, you can just use a mild soap to wash your face, leave it for some minutes without applying anything. For 15 to 30 minutes, your skin will dry, or if it's oily, or if it's normal skin, you will know. Now, question number 2 from Miss Maringa: skin is oily, ishita mapundu. You know, it was said to fight both oiliness and mapundu pimples. Okay, and she also said, how often do you cleanse, moisturize and steam your face? Is it per day or per week? Another question, plus my homemade facial scrub anogadzirwa sei kuitira paye patinenge tashaya mari yekutenga mafacials. Okay, first thing first, if you are the beauty advisor akarongeka aushaye mafacials ako, unonyaso make sure kuti you buy your stuff on time, on offer, and you save towards buying Mercedes at yapera. Okay, so I'll answer your first question. Yawati skin ili oily ishita mapundu unit say to fight both oiliness and my pimples. Okay, my pimples can be a symbol of dirt lodged in your pores. So that means you need to do your facial cleansing weekly properly, and to do your deep facial cleansing is either whether twice per week or once per week, so that you fight the breakout in my pimples. And for the oiliness, Tinem Skin Solution range, that's the one. That's the one with this mask that I was using, and that's another product is for Skin Solution range, a mattifying moisturizer. And for the pimples, this is the tube. Okay, how often do you cleanse, moisturize and steam? It all depends with the skin type of your face and the concern that you have. Deep cleansing like facial masks, facial cleansing, scrubbing, it's something that I personally do per week, but it all depends with your skin type. You can do it twice a week or you can do it per week. It all depends with the skin type and the concern that you have. But I encourage those with pimples and more breakouts to do at least twice per week will do. Okay, question number 3 from Charlotte Madanire: I need to know steps to take when cleansing my face. Okay, Charlotte, I think this question I have already answered it by showing you the steps that I was doing as I was doing the tutorial. Question from Alison: mask inoita basa rei? How does it help the skin? I think this one also I have answered it when I was explaining the benefit of using the facial mask that we have. Question from Tatenda Kawanzaura. My burnt scars anopera here. Is there anything you can recommend? My burnt scars unfortunately are peri not only burnt scars ratopo, but you can use the tissue oil that only helps to reduce the appearance of that scar. And another question from Feliwe Ivy. Hi Feliwe. Ko kana uine pasi pemaziso panoita kakuwira mukati, giving you a look kunge wakura zvakanyanya. What do you use? Use the CRT Firming Face and Neck Cream. The benefit, it helps increase skin volume, firmness and smoothness, reduce the appearance of wrinkles in face and neck. Any question number 7 from Rekai. What are the best products to use on facials for someone and skin in my blackheads? And it my blackheads anosara after watushura mapundu. Okay, Rekai, my blackheads are sarika na watushura mapundu. Chinosara kana watushura mapundu do not my black spots. Use the even tone range. That's the one that I was using today. And for the black spots, you use the dark spot corrector. That's the one that you use to clear the spots. Okay guys, I hope this tutorial was very helpful. If you still have got any questions that you want to ask, please feel free to ask me. Just to put your question in the description box and I'll help you as soon as I can. Thank you, stay blessed and stay beautiful. Bye.